What's up guys, in this short tutorial I will show you how to fade audio in and out in Premiere Pro. This should be quite an easy tutorial, everything you need will be listed in the description below. After adding a video to your timeline, navigate over to your Effects panel. In case you're unable to find it, then navigate to Window and make sure to select Effects. Here, open up the Audio Transitions folder as well as the Crossfade folder. If you want your transitions to fade in or out linearly at a steady pace, then choose the Constant Gain effect. Drag and drop the transition to the beginning of your audio clip to apply the effect. You can also put it to the end to create the fade out effect. Next, drag the effects corner to the left or right side to adjust its duration. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.